कोण बरं म्हणतात त्याबद्दल नाम दिवचो नाही आणि ती काय वडली जोडी राहते लालाची बत्ती नसता कोण तो ते सुने
लाला की बत्ती दोघे मुली तुझ्या बरोबर तुझ्या बरोबर
लालाची बस्ती कोणी वाढायला
could not take a law in my hand and dig that road. There is a procedure. If someone have done a wrong, we have to follow all the letters to different
yes, that is
departments.
That is why the Sarpanch has followed the law very rightly, and he has very rightly issued a letter on the 25th of March stating that we have received a complaint in this vested in me, vested in the Sarpanch, as per section 64(1)(j) of GFR Act 1994. You are directed to stop the illegal construction of road widening, and this was done after the 25th of March. We have all records to show that it was done after violating the Sarpanch order. They have completely violated it without any work order, without any permission. So this is very illegal, and no measurements to be taken, no cognizance of this road has to be taken, and then we are ready to sign the document. Order. He had agreed that he will issue the stop order of the work, but then issued the letter of stopping the illegal construction of the road. He had given a word to us that he will stop the work in the project, including any road widening, but then he issues a letter stating only stop the illegal construction of road. Anyway, we agreed to it, but after this date, madam, this road widening was done beyond this road, without any work order, without any permission. So we are not agreed to this, and we will not sign any this until and unless the Sarpanch takes a notice of this, that this work has been done illegal by the project builders. Then we are ready to sign. We have no objection to it. We want a peaceful demonstration against this project, madam.
According to their
I'm an ex-serviceman, and I've served in the Border Roads Organization of the Ministry of Defence, and we are following the rules. We don't want anyone to violate the rules, madam. So I appeal to you to let us have it in a peaceful way and with the law in place. That is what we want. Nothing
According
else.
to it,
Madam, you have anything to say?
we have removed a notice to take us notice.
As a village,
3
1
days
minute.
to go. Directly today I can issue a notice, and today only the complainer or responder could not come. So we have to, today also responder have not come. Still we have done they are my villagers. I am as a Sarpanch of the full village. Villagers have supported me to become as a member. My colleagues who are 11 non-Catholic, all of my members are there. They have supported me as a Catholic. And after 15 or 20 years, I am the for this term, for 1 year. I am also a Catholic committee. There is a committee for the chapel. Head of the parish priest, he is there. We are ready to talk, but they don't want to talk with us. They are just spoiling our name. They are doing a small clip and spoiling our name. I am with my religion, with the Catholic. And no one can teach me a religion for this thing.
don't want such a big project.
होय सरपंच कोणा घेऊन येला पळय वा आपल्या मनशाक आता घेऊन गेलो हेतून समजा कोण कोण कबेला तरी येलो काय कोण सरपंचाक सपोर्ट करून येलो पाहिजे कोण घ्या यशवंत जुंग नाम का कपेल मोठले ते मोठच्या ना सांगोंग ना रोड वाइंडिंग केला पळय तो काढून उडयलो काय ना ते सांगोंग ना वो कोणाक सांगोंग गेलो फुटींग कोणा वा आपूण बाबूलो जा स्कुलान ते आम्ही धाकटे सांग पळयता स्कुलान टिचरी वता ती कंप्लेंट येता पळय ही कंप्लेंट आयज तो दिवन गेला अरे कापस तर रावंक जाय हांगासर उलोवंक जाय आमच्या वांगडा आता ऐका यांचे आणि एका सांगूंक सोदता ते मनीस घेवन येयल्ले पळय सरपंच व्हडलो देव व्हडलो देवा खातीर आमी येयले वायट आपूण क्रिस्तांव म्हणटा हांव कट्टर हिंदू हांव गोंयकार सपोर्टाक येयला हेंच्या खातीर क्रिस्तांव हिंदू हांगासर हाडूं नाका आमी भुरगेपणांत हिंदू क्रिस्तांव वांगडा चिकल्या हा पयशे खाल्ले तर हिंदू क्रिस्तांव सांगता ते नांवां पिड्ड्यार करूं नाका हांगासर कोण भोंवतात तेंची
हे कोटीवर खाल्लं.
हा
पैसे बसतात. कोटवडून
We are against the illegality.
We are against
Not against the development.
पण सरपंच जो आता येयल्लो पळय सोबत आता तेणी स्पीच दिताना तेणी सांगले की तुम्ही विलेजर्स येयले आणि मॉब कशे केले पंचायतीन म्हणून
कोण सांगता रे
मॉब केले म्हणटा तो पंचायतीन आणि आपणाक थंयसून घेवन येयले म्हणटा हांगा
आमचे कितें जाल्लें मरे ते दिसाले सायड इन्स्पेक्शन आनी तो सांगतालो तो नोटीस काडपाक आपणा कडेन थंयसर लायट ना म्हणून शटडावन आहा म्हणून पंचायती कडेन मरे इन्वर्टर आहात तेंच्यानी मेंटेनन्स करूंक ना तेंच्यानी पाड घातला पंचायतीन लुटून खाल्ल्या तेंच्याकडे सद्या इन्वर्टर ना तेंच्याकडे पावर नासल्या कारणान आमकांय उमेद ना थंयसर रावपाक आमी वचपाचें कारण तेका सरपंचान येवन हांगासर इन्स्पेक्शन करपाचें जाल्यार इतलेंच तेच्या वयर काय नासलें तेका तो एक खंय तरी भंय जाला तो आयज रिजायन जाता म्हणून सांगला आपले आपूण तेणी आनी तो रिजायन जावपाक तेका जायना तेका कितें बरें गावला आसता म्हणून तो आयज सोडूंक सोदिना आनी तो आपले मनीस घेवन येयला थंयसर ताळयो मारपाक आता सरपंचाच्या एक उद्दार आसा आयज काडूंक जावला कापास ते काडलेले आतां येवन काडटलो तो आमी चॅलेंज करता सरपंचाक
लोकलच्यांनी सांगले की पयलींचो रस्तो आहा तो मेजा आनी न्यू रस्तो केला तो मेजा आणि हे जेन्ना तेंच्यांनी इन्स्पेक्शन केले तेन्ना तेंकाय ते दिसून येयले नजरेक की बाबा हांगा खरेंच ते कितें तरी एक वायलेशन जाल्लें आहा आनी तेंच्यांनी हांगासर कितें कितें सांगलें आपल्या हिसपान एश्युरन्स दिले आनी गेल्यात ते एश्युरन्स दिल्या तेजेर कितले मेरेन सारखे रावतले आनी कितें करतले ते तेंचे तेन्ना कळटले पूण आयएस ऑफिसरूय येयल्ले हांगासर ते पळोवन आमकांय शॉक जालो हांगासर कितें तरी व्हडली टेररिस्ट बीन येवपाचे आहात कितें अशें तेंकां मेसेज बीन गावला जावं कोण तरी मोदी जावं अमित शाह बीन येवपाचे आहा काय म्हणून पयले तल्ले कोण आसले येयल्ले आमकां राखपाक जे विलेजर्स आयज आपल्या रायटा खातीर फायट करतात येयल्ले तेंकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक काय पंचायतीक प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाक हें खबर ना पूण ते हांगासर आसले विथ IPS ऑफिसर
पंचायती